Hey guys, you've caught me inside the house today. It's Jackie with Cruising the Sierra Farm, and we were having some really hot temperatures outside, so that's why I brought you inside today, but also because it was getting so hot I didn't want to cook the onions. They were out in our shelter drying, and I brought them into the house today to show you how I'm going to go ahead and braid them for long-term storage. Well, it was getting a bit hot outside, so I brought some of the onions inside to braid and show you guys how I'm going to do that. And so you can see here the roots are still on. I have trimmed the roots off, and for the most part these are starting to dry really nicely. And we're going to go ahead and get some braided up right now. So I have the earbuds in today in the hopes that you guys will be able to hear me better on the video, because I have multiple things going on now. I've got the freeze dryer going, I got the dehydrator going, and I've also got the swamp cooler going because it's going to be in the triple digits again today. So I'm going to get 3 equal pieces of twine. Let me back this video up. Pardon me. And I'm not sure quite the length to go, but extra is good. Alright, so let me get this cut at the same length. Okay, there's another one. Just don't chase the kitty, please. That is our puppy, Jess. Yes, he's being a puppy. Huh. Alright, so there are 3 equal pieces. And I'm going to go ahead and tie these into a knot here first. Okay? Alright, so let's start out with our first set of 3. Alright, let's go with 1. Let's go with the long one in the center. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. I am going to tie a knot around the center one. So I'm going to lift this up. Let's go ahead and tie a knot right here. Whew. Okay, so there's our knot. Okay. Sorry, I'm totally making a mess on the table. Okay, so there's 3, and we're going to put a string towards each of the 3. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start braiding. And so there's 1. There's 2. Okay. All right. Then we're going to take a 3rd one, and we're going to go over and over. Okay. So then we're going to take 2. Okay, and we're going to continue over and sorry, so over and over. put one in the center and continue with an over and over. Get two more. And over. Okay. Over. And over. Another one for the center. And we'll come over. Whew. And over. Get two more. And that will finish it off. Okay, which one came over? Okay. Now we'll go over and over, and we're just going to continue to braid. Okay. Okay, we're pretty much at the end of the onion stalks on that side. Okay. Okay, so when we get to that, I'm going to go ahead and take the two outer ones and I'm going to tie a knot with them. Like that. Tie it into a knot. I'm just going to tie it once more for good measure. And there you go. I'm going to then take these two. I don't need to take the middle one, but I'm going to take these two and I'm going to do a small knot. And this will be to hang it from. Although I'm sure that you could hang it from the actual braid itself. Go one more time here. All right. Okay, and there you have a braided bunch of onions for winter storage. It's pretty. And we will leave it hanging in a cool, dark location. In this heat, I'm not sure how that's going to work out. Anywho. All right. So if you found this helpful, I'd appreciate you sharing the video. And there's other ways of doing this, but I don't have anything great to hang it from, but I have seen it done in other ways, but this works for me. And I'm going to do a couple more because we've got all these onions here and a ton more outside to work with.